to Bright Kids World!
Come with me, what do I see? A happy little farm full of friends like me. Chicken on the farm goes cluck, cluck, cluck. Scratch the ground for tiny luck. Goat on the hill goes ma, ma, ma. Jumping high like ta-da-da. Sheep in the field go ba, ba, ba. Soft white wool, la, la, la. Cow says moo, moo, moo. Milk and grass the whole day through. On the farm, hear the sound. Happy animal noises all around. Clap your hands, tap your feet, sing with me. Farm life is fun as fun can be. Pig in the mud goes oink, oink, oink. Splashy splash, what do you think? Horse runs fast goes neigh, neigh, neigh. Gallop, gallop, zoom away. Rabbit hops goes hop, hop, hop. Soft long ears never stop. Duck in the pond goes quack, quack, quack. Wiggle wobble front and back.